Remember those endless pivot tables? Yeah, those were the days when we thought dragging and dropping was high tech. But now with Power BI, it's more like drag, drop, and dominate. And who can forget the infamous Excel crashes? You know, the ones where your spreadsheet disappears faster than free beer at the tech conference. Power BI is here to save the day. No more watching your data disappear into the abyss. Excel formulas. You know, the ones that are more complex than a soap opera plot twist. So ditch Excel, and your data analysis will go from why me to wow me. Join Get Responsive and Victor for Power. Play on May 29th. See you there, data nerds.